Today we have with us respected senior advocate of Honorable Supreme Court, Mr. Alok Sinha. He has been practicing in this field over 30 years. He is the founder and president of ASC Solicitors and Bharti Legal Support Foundation. Very good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
It's such a pleasure to meet you. We are seriously honored and petrified to have you here to have a conversation on such an important and uprising topic of the problems that NRI are facing right now in India. So, sir, right now COVID time is going on. It's such a big pandemic and people are not able to repay back to the banks. So, sir, what can we do that we can convert this negative impact to a positive one?
The times are really very bad, and it's not from bad today. This is bad for last 1 year. I remember this started sometime in the month of January. So 1 year time is a very long period. People are having problems because all the businesses, all the whatever the commercial establishment, they are not able to repay the loans which they have taken to the banks. I have seen even the builders who have given their property on lease to the big multinationals, big companies, they are vacating because they have started working from the home. So that is also good point that you are doing from home. But negative in a sense that the builders who have given on long, heavy lease rents, they have vacated because they are doing from home. So one way it is positive. Negative is here for the builders, they are not able to because they have to pay the money to the bank. Now from where they are taking advantage of the situation, God's Act, which is a very important point, and they take the advantage of this, and they're not paying the rent or they are vacating it, but the builder has to pay. So this all negativity has developed in the society these days, and the stress assets are a lot. Even the hotels, industrial establishment which have taken loans, since they have no money, they are not paying, and banks are taking them. Banks have taking them under the DRT, or there is a new act, NCLT, and they are taking possession under SARFAESI Act. I think this can be done in a good way, that these stressed assets, suppose let us take for an example a hotel, you take it. Now the hotel which is costing 200 crores, for example, market value of 200 crores, and the hotel owner has taken a 50 crores loan from the bank. Now he is not able to pay 50 crores to the bank, and because of the long run non-payments, that is called non-performing assets, that becomes 20 crore interest. So that, suppose I'm giving an example only, it becomes 70 crores. That 70 crores, for that 70 crores, bank will possess your property, take the possession of documents and physical possession by the SARFAESI and NCLT, and sell it, auction it only in 70 crores. There can be a plus profitable situation for everybody. And this is the buying time for buying and stressed assets, because this will be good for them. You buy a 200 crores, 150 crores property in 70 crores or even 50 crores. Bank even can waive off the 20 crores interest if we talk, because we can convince to the management that at least you are giving 50 crores, you will go NCLT, then you will file a case, then you will recover, then so lengthy process, then you don't know whether you will get it or not, because the owner may not have even 50 crores to pay you this time. So even if you sell that hotel, how will you get the buyer? Suppose you possess this also. So if you are having an investor, which I am having, and people are invested, and most of the people will be interested in this time. So this is a buying time, that what I am trying.